Hi there folks, and welcome to this week's solutions to the Daily Rigour issue number 70. October already, who would have thought it? Anyway, our first story this week, so Thomas Cook is predicting Spanish holiday prices to rise next year by 10%, partly due to the weak pound, the weak value of the pound, but also due to Spain's renewed popularity as a holiday destination. So anyway, here's the wee problem. 2 week holiday, for July 2018 currently costs £630 per person. So what would the total cost of the holiday be if it was booked next year? So first things first, we need to find the total cost of the holiday if it was paid for this year, and we do that by multiplying the cost per person by 4, so it's a family of 4. That comes to £2,520. So we work out 10% of this by dividing by 10, so that's a price rise of £252, which we're going to add on to the price of the holiday. So if it was booked next year, if these rises come into force, then it costs £2,772. So that's quite a lot of extra spending money you would have if you book the holiday just now. Okay, on to our next story. So International Coffee Day, believe it or not, is celebrated today. And we are typically a nation of tea drinkers, but in a survey of 1,500 people, it was found that 61% of folk actually preferred coffee to tea. So what percentage of people preferred tea? Okay, so obviously the total percent adds up to 100, so we take 61 away from 100, so 39% of people preferred tea. So how many people then preferred tea? Well, we've got to work out 39% of 1,500. So we can divide by 100 first of all, because that will give us 1%, and of course that's 15. Then we can do 15 times 39 to get 39%. So that's 585 people preferred tea to coffee. So, don't know if you know, fact of the day, International Tea Day is actually celebrated 75 days from the 1st of October. So on what day is International Tea Day celebrated? So you've just got to add on your 75 days, just kind of visualising the calendar in your mind, writing out a few ideas. But you should have found that that's on the 15th of December 2017. So that's almost Star Wars Episode 8 time, isn't it? So on to our technology story now, and we told you a wee story back about this guy taking his personal custom-made Iron Man suit to an expo and actually successfully managing a flight in it. Well, now there's actually going to be a big competition to make the dream of personal flight a reality. So we've been asked what the total value of the prize fund for this competition is. So we've got stage one's got 10 prizes of $20,000. So that's going to be 10 times 20,000 first of all. And then we've got stage two's got four $50,000 prizes. So we're going to add on 4 times 50,000. Stage three, we've got a $1 million prize. So we've got to add that on, just make sure we write it out in full. And then we've got 2 lots of 250,000 as well, haven't we? And then finishing off with 100,000. So if we add all that together, it's a $2 million competition. So maybe next time you've got bit golden time or something like that, why don't you try and invent your own flight suit, because you can win yourself an awful lot of money, as you can see. Okay, so on to our last story. In this world where consumer products are actually being cut in size due to the ever increasing cost of ingredients, Jaffa Cakes have followed suit. The good news is that they're not charging significantly more or for the price of a smaller pack. Actually, they're going to try and keep it in the same ratio that it's always been. But we've been asked what pack was the best deal. Okay, so let's first of all consider the case of the pack of 10. So you're getting 10 Jaffa Cakes for 99p. So we want to find out the cost per Jaffa Cake. So to do that, we divide the 99p by 10, and that comes to 9.9 pence per Jaffa Cake. So let's consider the pack of 12. So 12 cakes cost £1.15. So we can find the cost of one cake by doing £1.15 divided by 12. But I want my answer to be in pennies as well, so I'll do 115 divided by 12, and that comes to, well, if you round it to one decimal place, that comes to 9.6 pence per Jaffa Cake. So which one of these is the best deal? Well, the pack of 12 is, and that's because per Jaffa Cake it costs less money. So you just have to write a wee conclusion that says that. So for example, pack of 12 is the best deal since it's 3 pence cheap, 0.3 pence cheaper per Jaffa Cake. So a saving, not that much of a saving, but a saving nonetheless. Anyway folks, there you have it. That was our work solutions to the Daily Rigour issue number 70. Hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we'll be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.